This video has got two really easy ways to steam chicken. We've got a one bowl wonder, steamed chicken and mushroom rice, and a nice, simple Chinese chive chicken. Welcome back to Wok Wednesday. This video is sponsored by Neff, and I'm showing you two ways to steam chicken: in the steam oven and on the induction hob. Here's how. The first dish is a Guangxi steamed chicken, and it's so simple. You've got your chicken legs, you're gonna marinate them first. We'll start off with a little bit of spring onion, roughly chopped, with a bit of Shaoxing rice wine, some salt. Give that a rub. Next up, the topping, or the nam as they call it in Singapore, Malaysia. This is really classic Chinese style cooking. I've got some finely sliced spring onion and finely chopped ginger. And these Chinese chives, really finely chopped, a whole mountain of them. A little bit of sesame oil and some toasted sesame seeds. In a separate wok or pan, heat up some oil to a really high heat. It needs to be smoking hot. Sizzle that over your chives and everything else, and then top this naan with a little bit of light soy sauce. Easy as that for the first dish. Dish number two, just as simple, a nice marinated chicken and mushroom over some rice. First things first, finely chop some ginger. I'm gonna set up this marinade, but next, I've got these shiitake mushrooms, which are just soaked in hot water overnight and quartered nice and easy. The chunks of chicken needs to be about the same size as your shiitake mushrooms, nice chunks, sort of cubes of chicken thigh. Now onto the rest of the marinade. This is really simple, just gonna piece everything together. Got some 5 spice, just a pinch, some oyster sauce, a little bit more light soy sauce, pinch of sugar, sesame oil. Lastly, about a half to a tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch. You're gonna mix that together and get that really well marinated. I've got this lovely washed rice here. It's jasmine rice, and I've washed it at least 3 to 4 times. You wanna make sure the water runs clear. You're gonna measure your water roughly 1 1/4 water to 1 rice. This should go into a nice deep bowl. I've also got some enoki mushrooms here, which are just beautifully fresh. All I'm gonna do is place that on top of the water and rice, and then my marinated chicken and mushrooms over the top of that, so they kind of cook those enoki through as well. You can use whatever mushrooms you like. Those are both prepped, easy as that. Now on to the steaming. This is the perfect time to talk about Neff, our sponsors, because I'm showing you two completely different ways of steaming at home. I've got my traditional setup on a modern induction hob here for my steamed chicken legs. That just needs to be your wok filled halfway with water, bring that to a quick boil, and it's seriously quick on induction, and then place your steamer with your chicken in a bowl on top. 25 to 30 minutes. My steam oven is actually a classic Neff oven with an added steam function to it. And this steam function I've got it on is 100% steam, 100 degrees C. It keeps all the steam engulfed inside that slide and hide door in the oven. My dish, my whole bowl of steamed chicken and rice can go straight into the steam, close the door, 30 minutes later, you've got dinner on the table. Look, depending on your hob or your kitchen, you can cook either one of these dishes or any type of steam dishes in either way, on the induction, on your hob, or in your steam oven. So one last thing I've got to do, just to finish off this Guangxi steamed chicken, is to get this chive topping and just top your chicken legs with this beautiful topping. And cover that again, because you want that any excess steam to just warm that through nicely. You can see with my one bowl wonder that this rice is nice and fluffy with a little bit of stickiness to it, which is what I want. There's so much flavour from a dish that takes no more than 10 minutes to prep. And again, similarly to this Guangxi steamed chicken, look at all that juiciness just off that simple steaming process. Oh, It's one of my favorite ways to cook chicken. So easy, 2 easy ways to steam your chicken. Thank you to Neff for all their awesome equipment, but also, more importantly, for letting us cook these dishes for the videos.